Hello, scientists. Welcome to Photosynthesis classes. I'm your friend Parineeti, and today it's quiz time. And the quiz topic is photosynthesis gives oxygen and food. Let's get started. The first question is, what do plants make for food? Option A, starch. Option B, oxygen. Option C, glucose. And option D, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option C, glucose. The second question is, what do plants release? Option A, water. Option B, oxygen. Option C, carbon monoxide. And option D, nitrogen. The correct answer is option B, oxygen. The third question is, what gas do plants use? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, oxygen. Option C, methane. And option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. The fourth question is, what do roots absorb? Option A, water. Option B, air. Option C, sugar. And option D, light. The correct answer is option A, water. The fifth question is, what do leaves contain? Option A, chlorophyll. Option B, glucose. Option C, carbon monoxide. And option D, starch. The correct answer is option A, chlorophyll. The sixth question is, what powers photosynthesis? Option A, wind. Option B, sunlight. Option C, rain. And option D, soil. The correct answer is option B, sunlight. The seventh question is, where is glucose stored? Option A, leaves. Option B, roots. Option option C, stems. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The eighth question is, what gas do humans exhale? Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, hydrogen. And option D, nitrogen. The correct answer is option B, carbon dioxide. The ninth question is, what part of plants is edible? That means, what part of the plant can we eat? Option A, stems. Option B, roots. Option C, fruits. And option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. The 10th question is, which plant part has chlorophyll in it? Option A, stem. Option B, roots. Option C, leaves. And option D, flowers. The correct answer is option C, leaves. The 11th question is, what helps pollinate flowers? Option A, bees. Option B, worms. Option C, fish. And option D, frogs. The correct answer is option A, bees. The 12th question is, which part makes the food? Option A, flowers. Option B, leaves. Option C, roots. And option D, fruits. The correct answer is option B, leaves. The 13th question is, what does sunlight provide? Option A, water. Option B, energy. Option C, sugar. And option D, oxygen. The correct answer is option B, energy. The 14th question is, what do plants give us? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, carbon monoxide. And option C, oxygen. And option D, methane. The correct answer is option C, oxygen. The 15th question is, where does photosynthesis happen? Option A, roots. Option B, flowers. Option C, leaves. And option D, soil. The correct answer is option C, leaves. You can connect with us through the platform provided. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.